So today we're going to be talking about why ignition timing is important and how it works in a car. So first, what is ignition timing? Well, ignition timing is the process of controlling when the spark plug fires in relation to the piston's movement in the engine cylinder, whether it goes up and down. Now, in a 4-stroke engine, like a small block Chevy 350, the spark plug needs to fire just before the piston reaches the top of a compression stroke. This gives the air/fuel mixture enough time to fully ignite and expand, pushing the piston down with maximum force. Why the timing must be precise. If the spark fires too early or too late, the engine loses power and can even suffer damage. So ignition timing is carefully set and adjusted to match engine RPM, engine load, and fuel quality, and also engine temperature. Now, what happens at the right time? Well, let's break it down to what happens when the timing is correct. Timing event is when spark plug fires slightly before piston reaches TDC, top dead center. The effect that happens, that allows fuel and air mix to begin burning. Another one, flame front expands as piston passes TDC. That pushes the piston down with full power. Maximum cylinder pressure happens at the right point. Engine runs efficiently and powerfully. Engine stays cooler, smoother, and more fuel efficient. Longer life, better performance. What happens with incorrect timing? Type of error is too advanced. The spark fires too early. Now, the problem with that is the piston fights against combustion. Now, symptoms is that pinging, knocking, overheating, and engine damage. Now, another type of error, too retarded. The spark fires too late. Problem, the fuel burns after piston is already going down. Symptoms, poor power, rough idle, high exhaust temps, and bad gas mileage. How timing works in a car. Here's how ignition timing is controlled. 1. Distributor, like older engines like the SBC 350. It rotates in sync with the camshaft and sends spark to each plug in proper firing order. It can also be rotated to advance or retard base timing. Now, second, vacuum advance. Adds timing advance under light road, like cruising. Also improves fuel economy. I don't understand. 3. Medical certificable advance. Adds more advance as RPM increases. Keeps spark in the right spot as engine speeds up. Now, 4. Electronic ignition, which is modern cars now. Timing controlled by the engine computer, ECU, uses sensors for RPM, throttle position, knock, and more. Also, adjusts the spark timing in real time for best performance. This right here, what I have in my hand, is our high energy ignition distributor. What it does is it makes easy installation and also provides better performance and power for our small block 350 Chevy.